Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this model, we are going to discuss third question. In each of the following state whether A is equals to B or not. So A is equals to B means then if and only if this is IFF. As I told in the previous modules, we can say IFF A subset are equal to B and B subset are equal to A. So B subset are equal to A and A subset are equal to B. That means all the elements which are present in the A, it should be present in the B also. All the elements which are present in the B, it should be present in the A also. So that is the conditions. So first question, what they are given? A is equals to A, B, C, D. Then B is equals to, we can rearrange the elements which are presented. A is there, B is there, C is there, D is there. Then what we can say here is, the A subset are equal to B here, which are presented in all the elements which is present in the B also, and B subset are equal to A if and only if, that is, A is equals to B. So A and B are the sets which are equal. A and B sets are equal. So that is the case. Our second one, let's take second one. A is equals to 4, 8, 12, 16. Then write B as 4, 8, 16, 18. So here we can take one thing. So A is not subset or equal to B. Why? Because it is not subset or equal to B. And B is also not subset or equal to A. So that means A is not equal to B. So how you can say this is the condition like this? So why? Because here 4, 8, 12, 3 elements are there. Sorry, 4 and 8, 16. So these elements are there here also, 4, 8, 16. But here 12 and 12, 18, these two elements are not presented. All the elements should be present. Then only A and B are equal sets. Then what you can write it here is A and B sets are not equal. Not equal. So like this we need to go. So here A they are given that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. But B they are given in the format of set builder form. We have to write it in this roster form. The set X for all X such that we should not pronounce colon as it is, such that X is a positive even integer and X less than 10. So X less than 10. So if you take X is a even positive numbers means the positive integers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 like that. 0 is not positive, not negative. So that less than 10 means we have to take from 2, 4, 6, 8. These elements only we have to take it. Why? Because they are not given like X less than or equal to 10. Not given like this. So not given. So if they will give like this, then you can take 10 as it is. Why? Because then less than 10 means we should take up to 8 only. That means, so here all the elements which present, but here there is no presence of 10 here. Then what you can say? A is not subset or equal to B. But 2, 4, 6, 8. B is subset to A. B is subset to A, but A is subset or equal to B. So it should be, what is the condition as we told previous one? So A subset or equal to B, not subset or equal to B, and B is subset to A, even though A is not equal to B. Why? Because here these elements should be, both elements should be present, then only we can say. So it is the condition like this. Therefore, what you can say, A and B are not equal. A and B are not equal. If they are going to give less than or equal to, then they are both are equal. So that is the way. Next one, A is equals to multiple of 10. So let's take here fourth one. So this is third one. A is equals to that given set builder form, we have to write it in roster form. The set for all X such that X is a multiple of 10. So it is a multiple of 10 means write 10 multiples, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on like this. We don't know how many numbers. Then B set is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. So what you can say here is, so both the elements the which are presented in the A and B should be equal. So here what you can write it here is, so A is subset to B. Why? Because the elements which are presented in the A, that all elements will be presented in the B, and B is not subset or equal to A. That implies, that is if and only if, what you can write, A is not equal to B. The condition to say equal means both here whatever elements is there in A, it should be presented in the element that is set B. So both elements, all the elements should be presented in the both the sets, then only we can say A equal to B. Otherwise any condition is false, we cannot say. Therefore what you can say here is A and B are not equal. So this is the way to find any one condition not satisfied, then we cannot agree that they are equal. So that is the way to find. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Suppose if third one I am discussing once again. So if it is a x less than or equal to 10, let's take like that. Then A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. As we told, then B also equal to, what you can write, the positive even numbers will equal to. So 6, 8, 10. Then what you can write, A and B are equal if and only if the elements which are present in A all presented in the B, that is A subset are equal to B and B subset are equal to A. Then 2, A and B are equal sets. So if it is not equal means, that is not equal less than means, that is the previous case. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.